Hayop talaga. I could not.
OPM icon Wency Cornejo, radio hosts go up front about SB19. First of all, wag nang pansinin ang mga umi-issue about SB19 without evidence and without facts dahil siguradong clout and engagement lang ang hanap nila at malay natin may pinababangong iba. Now, why don't we give our time to these trustworthy people who have nothing but good words about SB19? We have here another OPM icon, Sir Wency Cornejo, who has long expressed his admiration towards SB19. And we have also radio host Sir Oscar Casaysay, former Executive Director of National Commission for Culture and Arts or NCCA, who has worked with SB19 before, and Miss Patmay Roy Vivar.
In all aspects of the, pag sinabi mong as an entertainers,
Yes.
bang on sa head ng lahat
Correct.
ng aspects pag sinabi mong SB19. They're fantastic singers, they're fantastic dancers, they have a fantastic way of presenting themselves. They are great, not just great. Grabe kataas yung kanilang level when it comes to songwriting,
Yes.
when it comes to producing, when it comes to their creativity. Hayop talaga. I could not.
So, ang galing, di ba? Na they will be our ambassadors. Parang sila yung magre-represent ng Filipino creativity. Oh, Filipino talent. Sa generation ngayon.
I have a time nag-work sa kanila and they are very humble.
I've never met them, so I have no opinion.
I've worked with them. Very humble talaga sila. Individually and collectively as a group, they are.
Maramdaman ko yan sa mga, the way they handle yung controversies.
Yes.
Inaano sa
Tinatapon sa kanila.